अरे यार, ये मुझे कहाँ बिठा के रख दिया। इतनी शिद्दत से मैं पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, मगर संस्कृत में भगवत गीता पढ़ना मेरे बस की बात कहाँ।
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ कैंपेन देखो आई, गीता की दहलीज पे देखो खुशियां ले आई। Scan Pen, the ultimate solution to your problem.
अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते।
यह जीवात्मा कान, नेत्र, त्वचा को तथा रसना और मन को आश्रय करके अर्थात इन सब के सहारे से ही विषयों का सेवन करता है।
ओह वाओ।
So now let's start with our presentation.
अरे, शुभ काम करने से पहले कुछ मीठा हो जाए।
So now let's begin with the official first presentation of IPLC 2016. Ta-da!
Now let me present you my team members: Nishit Kalavadia, Nishika Patel, Nikki Jethani, Manmita Dipti, and myself, Kamil Meghani. A perfect launch of a team is done by launching video. So now let me present you launching video of my team, Innovating Aiders.
While brainstorming, we thought to tackle the major problem of the old age people, and what we found was illiteracy. That is, 64% of the total Indian citizen are illiterate, and thus rises the problem of reading. The problem of proper pronunciation, difficulty in understanding the brain languages also arise. For example, if they want to read Gita, they cannot, because it is written in Sanskrit and it becomes very difficult for them to understand even. So here we are with one solution. The team Innovating Aiders presents to you the Scan Pen, which can read and interpret the text in any languages you want. So here is how we made our Scan Pen, which made our IPM journey a memorable one. video, which we showed you first, was much more interesting and impressive than the demo video. And thus, due to the time constraint, we won't be able to show you the demo video.
Technical aspect. The Bhagavad Gita is specifically printed with codes in front of every shlokas. The codes are printed in the square box before every shlokas. The scan pen is basically the pen with audio file which is linked to the every QR code on the book. The audio file is saved in .pnl file format in the SD card.
Various uses of a scan pen. Like Gita, scan pen can be used for any religious books. The English version of scan pen can also be used for spreading our religion in foreign countries. Small kids can use the scan pen for learning and interpreting and proper learning pronunciation of words and letters. It could be used for students like us for easily learning the Shakespearean plays. It could be used for learning difficult languages like Spanish, German, etc. It could be used in places like museums, historical places, etc. in place of guides, audiobooks, etc.
Current target market. Currently with this product we focus on NRI people, old age people, illiterate people and visually impaired people for our product Scan Pen.
Our probable target market in near future would be students, younger kids, tourists and each and every individual.
Marketing strategy. The logo, brand name and tagline reviving a religion are designed in such a way that it is catchy to the customers. It creates a hype among customers. For distribution channel, we have chosen manufacturer to direct consumer. The reason being our product is new and wholesalers and retailers would be reluctant to accept the product with low margins in the market. For promotion, we have mainly chosen print media as it would be cost effective and the reach for our product would be higher.
Pricing policy. Currently, we have adopted the penetrating pricing policy. It implies that initially we would keep the price of our product lower to the extent that it covers our cost and profits, and then gradually with the newer versions of the product, we would increase our price. Currently, the price of our product is Rs 799 only, and we are focused on customer satisfaction and sales maximization rather than profit maximization.
Now I'll explain to you the cost analysis of our product, how it makes up to 799 rupees. 100 rupees is our profit margin. With profit margin, we have kept 120 rupees as the remuneration to partners. We are a partnership firm. Another is the cost of the product.
The price of our product is Rs 799 only, whereas the other similar digital assistive technology cost more than $700, which is available only in English.
An effective marketing strategy works well when print media is used along with the other media. The above is the letterhead of our firm. This is the magazine advertisement of our company. The newspaper advertisement is given both in English as well as in Gujarati so that we can show that to a more number of people. The flyer is also in English as well as in Gujarati. This is the front side of our brochure and the back side. The front side of our brochure and the back side. This is the poster of our product, the Scan Pen. And now this is the social media, our website and the Facebook page. Now let's have a look at our TVC.
अरे आज तो मैं धन्य हो गई, मेरा जीवन सफल हो गया। आज तो मैं पढ़ के आई हूँ। क्या क्या क्या? गीता गीता गीता। संसार को मोह मारा है, कहीं धूप कहीं छाया है।
ये अनपढ़ क्या पढ़ के आई होगी?
अरे अब अनपढ़ भी पढ़ सकेगा स्कैन पेन से।
बड़े बड़े लोग, बड़ी बड़ी बातें, ये हमारे बस की बात था।
अरे भैया, अब स्कैन पेन सिर्फ 799 है। इनोवेटिव रीडर्स की नई पेशकश द स्कैन पेन, जो भगवद गीता के संस्कृत श्लोक हिंदी और इंग्लिश में सुनाता है। तो आप भी लाइए अपनी स्कैन पेन और मोक्ष पाइए।
Radio is one of the most common means of communication, and hence a catchy radio jingle always helps grab the people's opinion. So let's hear our radio jingle.
सबको मैंने बीट कर दिया। गीता में तो दिखती
मुझको ठीक कर दिया। तू है साक्षात भगवान, मैं हूँ भक्त तेरा। मैं तो गाता रहूं हर श्लोक तेरा। मेरी भाषा का तू ट्रांसलेटर हो गया। तू मेरा है जुगरा होया जुगरा पैदा हो गया। तू मेरा है जुगरा होया जुगरा पैदा हो गया।
Innovating Aiders present the ScanPen, which can read and interpret the text and gives its voice over.
For more information, log on to www.innovatingAiders.weebly.com or call us on toll-free number 1800-200-2002.
The major sources of inspiration that led us to make this product are the day-to-day problems faced by people, our grandparents and the difficulties they face. Bijal ma'am, special thanks to you for helping and supporting us, and the past IPM groups.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Okay, ma'am. We are showing you.
We, Innovating Aiders, present our innovative product, the ScanPen with Bhagavad Gita. This ScanPen is not an ordinary pen which can write. It is a pen which can speak. This ScanPen can scan the Sanskrit verses of this Bhagavad Gita and interpret it in Hindi and English languages. This can be done by the reading technology. This ScanPen has a camera on the tip of it. And this Bhagavad Gita has special codes. Over here, by keeping the pen on the tip of the Gita, the Sanskrit verses of Bhagavad Gita can be interpreted in English and Hindi languages. This ScanPen is an extremely useful pen for people who are visually impaired or for those people who cannot pronounce the Sanskrit or Hindi or English languages. This ScanPen is also useful for the illiterate people, where the statistics of India's census shows 64% of Indian senior citizens are illiterate. So give this pen to your elderly parents and make their life a memorable one.
This is how our ScanPen works. First of all, power on the ScanPen. And then simply put the ScanPen on the code box of the verses of Bhagavad Gita. Simply like this. And this is volume button, which we can increase or decrease according to our will. This ScanPen just simply translated Sanskrit verses of Bhagavad Gita into simple Hindi.
Thank you.
Judges, if you want to see the product, we may show it to you.
वायु सुगंध के स्थान से जैसे सुगंध को ग्रहण कर लेता है, वैसे ही जीवात्मा भी इस शरीर को ग्रहण करता है।
You can place it on any and you also have English version. No, same way. If it has a memory, you can just You can place it in any port first. QR codes of this Yeah, so if other people around us don't want to hear, then earphones can also help. And again, yeah, just once it's scanned, then you can take the pen. And for both, there are two facilities. You can even charge and sell anything. And there's one additional feature of recording.